Lisa Carter here at Bukars. Today we are talking about the Sporttrek 271 VBH. This is a brand new model for Sporttrek this year and we love it. We're going to start at the very front here and show you this beautiful front window, which really brings a lot of nice light into that main bedroom. It's got the BAL 5.1 stabilizing system, so you can just stand right here and put down all your stabilizing jacks. This is amazing and saves a bunch of energy and time and heartache. We're going to walk around the trailer and show you the nice new graphics that are on the side here. A little bit of blue in there, kind of modern looking and nice. We've got 2 doors on this unit. Nice little kitchen, beautiful little fridge, and here we have a griddle. Awesome to put steaks on. Nice dual axle here with beautiful, beautiful stylish wheels. We're going to go inside and take a look at why this Sporttrek is so exciting. Look at this. This is quite an interesting layout. We have the bunks, double bunks over here in the back. Lots of nice storage as well. Cupboards galore. So this doesn't have to just be about the kids getting the bunks. This could be a really great place if you have a couple of dogs. Really nice steps for pets to get up into there. Very great storage area too. So don't just look at this as a family unit. This can be a couple's unit. We have a very unique eating situation here. This table shifts around and people can sit around the table as well. Here I am at the kitchen table or the dinner table, whatever time of day you're having your meal. Maybe you want to get this table out of the way. Maybe you're done for the day and you just need some more space in here. So watch this. Take the chair out of there and we just move this all the way to the end. So you can have that out of the way. You can have more space for your doorway there. All these chairs would just tuck away like that, and you would have actually a really nice large space. We have a beautiful fireplace over here and a televator. So that's kind of a thing that we see on some high-end units. And here we are in a trailer with bunks, televator. Amazing theater seats with the center divider here. You have all kinds of accessible power there. Cup holders. Massaging heated theater seats. Awesome little corner kitchen here. I love this. Air fryer. You don't have to bring another appliance. It's right there as your lovely air fryer. Triple spot here up on your stove with propane. Microwave, of course. This is a very usable kitchen. Lots of storage, lots of places to put your stuff. And then we move over here. We have a center walk-through bathroom, which is great because you can shut off the main bedroom from the bathroom and everybody in that back end can use the bathroom. It leads into the beautiful master suite.